Hello, my name is Heather Ferguson and I'm a Professor of Medical Entomology, Disease Ecology within the Institute of Biodiversity, Animal Health and Comparative Medicine at the University of Glasgow. Research in my team focuses on one of the largest problems in the global health, diseases spread by mosquito vectors. By concentrating on this area, we hope to contribute to the global fight against this major source of mortality, morbidity and inequality. Our main focus is malaria, a parasitic disease transmitted by Anopheles mosquitoes during blood feeding. Currently, there is no effective vaccine against malaria, and while drugs play an extremely important role in treatment, the only effective means of reducing transmission is controlling mosquito vectors. Almost all control in Africa of malaria relies on the use of insecticide-treated bed nets and indoor spraying of insecticides. Despite huge progress over the last decade, malaria still kills almost 500,000 people each year, with almost all being young children under the age of 5 living in sub-Saharan Africa. This is completely unacceptable, and worryingly, recent reports from the World Health Organization indicate progress may be slowing and reversal of gains made. The slowdown in progress with control was likely due to many reasons. Research in our team concentrates on one of them, specifically how mosquito vectors themselves are adapting to evade control measures, either through the development of resistance to insecticides or behavioural and ecological changes that allow them to reduce their contact with interventions. Research in our team focuses on 3 core strands. 1. Fundamental studies of vector ecology and behaviour. 2. The development of new methods for vector surveillance and trapping. And 3. The development and evaluation of mosquito control methods. All of our work is underpinned by a common set of core values and approaches. The first is to work in close partnership with African institutions who are leading the charge against malaria vectors and control in the field. We have a long-standing and close partnership with the Ifakara Health Institute in Tanzania, a world leader in malaria vector research, through which we co-supervise and train many postgraduate students. We also collaborate with institutes working on vector-borne diseases in Burkina Faso, Southeast Asia and South America. Our collaborations aim to centre the research and training needs of endemic countries, and many of our PhD students who have come to work with us are from endemic countries with high burdens. Our students from the UK and endemic countries often work together with an emphasis on international exchange and co-learning. The types of research conducted by our team include lab-based studies of the interactions between mosquito vectors and malaria parasites. Here in Glasgow, we have unique insectary facilities where we maintain colonies of several important African malaria vector species and have the ability to experimentally infect them with the human malaria parasite. Additionally, we often collaborate on field-based studies of mosquito vectors in Africa and other parts of the world. For example, recently we have been investigating how mosquito vectors are adapting their biting behaviour to avoid insecticide-treated nets in Tanzania, and on the spread of insecticide resistance in Burkina Faso. Much of this work involves the development of new trapping methods, such as the mosquito electrocuting trap seen here, which allows us to safely measure how many infected mosquito bites a person might be exposed to. Our colleagues at the Ifakara Health Institute also have one of the most unique and valuable facilities in the world for conducting research on mosquito vectors. This is the so-called Mosquito City, a large number of enclosed mosquito biospheres where the behaviour and biology of mosquitoes can be studied under realistic but infection-free conditions, and several of our students have worked in these facilities for their research. In our team, we have been very fortunate to work with a diverse and international group of students from around the world who share our passion about eliminating mosquito-borne disease. Students can expect to learn a range of skills in this team, including lab techniques for mosquito infection, vector ecology and surveillance, the epidemiology of vector-borne disease, experimental design, statistical analysis and modelling approaches, project management, and international collaboration and teamwork. Many former students have continued their career in this area by taking up positions at universities and research institutes, working for national disease control programs, and government agencies involved in international development and global health. Along the way, we have learned a lot from one another and made friendships that last beyond the PhD experience. We are looking forward to welcoming you here in Glasgow for the start of your PhD and having the chance to get to know you over the coming years.